Day 2. It's starting! Yay! Yeah, we're going to go check out the Geyser. I don't know why I'm French, but the main geyser, the geyser that geysers are named after, and also Gullfoss Waterfall. But it's looking pretty epic here already. There's an awesome foggy mist coming in over the horizon.
In 600 metres, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Get that, second exit, roundabout, straight across.
Okay, cool, right. I'm going to clock out now, peace. Right, taking a quick break because the scenery is epic. Got a lonesome swan. No, oh, here's 2 swans. There you go, this bad boy. This bad boy. Is that whistling like the wind or just that car? So cool. So, this water down here is between 80 and 100 degrees and it's just streaming through the countryside. I mean, it does smell like straight up farts right here. Like there's a heavy fart smell going on.
It covers up the actual part.
There's the entrance up there.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's really obvious.
Wow. Right, been to see the famous geyser.
Was it? Oh.
It won't.
That one. Yeah, that one.
Oh, look at this little dude. Hottering away. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're now going to crack onto Gullfoss Waterfall. Where we're going to get some epic drone stuff. Oh, this country though. Look at that! What? Yeah, get in frame, man. Yeah, that's how big Sam is. We were driving in earlier, saw these mountains over there, and we thought there was white clouds behind them, but that's just another huge, massive mountain hill with snow on it behind them.
Snow Mountain Hill.
Snow Mountain Hill. Look at that, that's crazy. Oh my, Sam, look at the people on the rock. Oh. Oh. Look at these maniacs. Look at these guys. Oh. To be honest, that's where we're going to go next. That must be like an aerial tour of the... Droning done, went off without a hitch, except for, I have no idea what the footage looks like. the lens was covered in water, so. Right, let's head off. Look at these trucks, man. Where are we? We're in Iceland, mate. We're in Iceland.
No one knows.
We are moving out.
Moving out.
Picnic spot. Oh god, the focus is not working. Picnic spot is on our next agenda, so stay tuned. Ooshk. Right, if Carlsberg did picnic spots, they still wouldn't be as good as this picnic spot. Got all of that. And then we got all of that Sam, all of that mountain. Look at that. So, busy day, wow. We've seen a lot today. It's been fantastic. Iceland is one of the most mental places I've ever been to in my whole life. Tried to stay as much as we like outside of like the tourist times and the areas where there's gonna be lots of people, just because it's just so soul crushing. If you get a chance, I know this is only the first day, but you need to go to Iceland. Back home, we're showered and clean, so...
It's a video of me, you twat.
Mate, I filmed you earlier in the car sleeping.
Oh yeah, what was I doing? Just chilling?
Sleeping, mate. Yeah. Just sleeping. Gonna crack out to the town centre and grab some munch. Got like 8 hours of daylight left.
15 days left.
Yeah, so... let's go get some food. Look at this dog. He knows how to party.
Having a great day.
Look at him.
Ciao, dog.
Peace. I'm going in it.
It's no sharp. Oh.
Is that what you meant? Being a bit sunburnt, but oh well. We are back. Gonna get ready for tomorrow and back up all of my stuff that I've recorded today. But yeah. It's now 8 o'clock, 8:30. I'm going to get ready for bed, so I'll catch you guys soon. See you guys tomorrow.